Tonight at 11, controversy over Narcan vending machines. They've recently popped up in various locations across Putnam County. Those vending machines were installed by a local healthcare facility that treats addiction and behavioral problems.
Narcan is used to reverse the effects of a drug overdose, but before it turns deadly. News4JAX reporter Eric Avanier explains why the vending machine concept is controversial to some.
Critics of these machines say it only enables drug addicts to continue using dangerous narcotics if they know they have a safety net. But at least one recovering addict tells News4JAX that this will actually save lives until addicts get the help they need to kick their addiction.
I met people and then
Thomas Shepard is a recovering drug addict who says he used meth while people around him were using heroin at a time when fentanyl was first being mixed with heroin.
the heroin was bad. People were starting to do that, and then the fentanyl came out, and then people started dying literally before we even heard about Narcan stuff.
Fast forward to several days ago when SMA Healthcare in Palatka used grant money to install these Narcan vending machines at various locations in Putnam County. SMA Regional Vice President Nancy Russo explains why.
We have an ordinary amount for as small of a population that we are. The amount of overdoses that we have is unprecedented.
According to data SMA Healthcare retrieved from both fire and rescue and law enforcement agencies, 2 years ago, there were 447 overdoses in Putnam County. 20 of those overdoses were fatal, and first responders administered 140 doses of Narcan. Then last year, the number of overdoses declined to 388, and the number of fatal overdoses also declined to 10, but the number of administered Narcan doses rose to 174. When SMA Health decided to introduce Narcan vending machines, they knew the idea was controversial.
I know people kind of think that we're supporting drug addicts, but no, we're trying to save lives.
What do you say to critics who may look at this and say that you're basically enabling drug addicts?
We hear that all of the time. And what I would say to that is there needs to be better education on exactly what addiction is. Addiction is a brain disease.
Each box of Narcan is free. There's about 2 doses inside, and get this, there's even instructions on how to administer the medicine. Shepard says this specific vending machine has gotten a lot of attention since it was installed last week.
This thing was empty a couple days ago. We just had to refill it.
Although these Narcan vending machines are only in Putnam County, SMA Health say they may eventually place similar machines in Flagler County, St. Johns County, Volusia County, and even Marion County, places where they have offices. Reporting in Palatka, Eric Avanier, Channel 4, the local station.